Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox Voice Chat. First, you must meet the age requirement to enable this feature. To begin, open your Roblox settings and navigate to the privacy section. You will see an option to verify your age, which is a crucial step for activating voice chat. This secure process is designed to ensure all users meet the necessary guidelines for participation, keeping the community safe and enjoyable for everyone interacting with the feature. The age verification process is straightforward and quick, often taking less than 1 minute to complete. You will need a government-issued photo identification document, like a passport or driver's license. Follow the on-screen prompts to scan your identification, ensuring all details are clear and legible. Afterwards, a liveness check, typically a short selfie video, confirms you are a real person. Roblox uses a trusted third-party service for this, and your sensitive identification data is never stored. Once your age is successfully verified, return to your Roblox privacy settings. You will now see a new toggle option labeled Enable Voice Chat. Simply switch this toggle to the on position to activate the feature. In any game that supports voice chat, a small microphone icon will become visible above your avatar. This icon confirms that your voice chat is active and ready for use, allowing you to communicate seamlessly with other players within the game world. Using voice chat responsibly is key to a positive experience for everyone. Always be respectful and adhere to Roblox's community standards, just as you would with text chat. If another player is being disruptive or inappropriate, you have the option to mute them directly from their avatar menu. For more serious concerns, utilize the in-game reporting tool to notify Roblox, helping maintain a safe and friendly environment. Your feedback helps keep the platform secure for all users.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.